Hello, dear friends. How are your days going? I hope you all are doing very well by the grace of the Almighty. I am also great. Today I am going to talk about music. Well, music is a way to express emotions. I really like listening to songs. When I feel sad, I listen to music. Music makes me feel better and happy. Many people like music. Music gives happiness to people. I listen to many kinds of songs. For example, Bengali folk songs, Bengali romantic songs, and Hindi songs. These songs touch my heart. That is why mm, I enjoy them a lot. I think learning music is not always easy. You need patience and practice. But if you love music, it is fun. I don't learn music at school. I learned a little from online videos. I practice music in my free time, and I really enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. That's all for today's video. Everyone stay well and healthy. Best of luck everyone. Thank you for listening. See you again. Good night and goodbye. Bye bye.